Guys. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear respected donors of Helping Hand for Youth and Development. We have poultry kits distribution in Afghanistan for more than 300 ladies who are widows, who are breadwinners of their families. Some of them are disabled. So they will receive these poultry kits, and also these families will receive 20 chickens to have like their livelihood at their own families with hijabs inside their houses. They will keep these chickens and they will sell their egg and they will earn inshallah around 5,000 Afghanis per month from these this project. In the previous day you have seen that we distributed them cage, the vitamins for these chickens, and also all the poultry kit, all the items, feeder and also water kit. So all the items were distributed among these families. The previous day, today, they are receiving these chickens, and inshallah they will pray for you and they are thankful for you. On their behalf, I would like to thank every single donor who sent their donations to these families. May Allah put barakah in your families and your properties. Jazakumullahu khair.